Given the polynomial f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 3, find part A, f of x plus 2, in parentheses, and B, f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, this is a little tricky. Remember, when you find f of anything, you remove the x and you put parentheses in its place, and you replace it with whatever's in the parentheses in the question. I don't care what's in there. You just replace it and plug it in and simplify it. So when we're answering the part A, we're finding, using the function that's given, f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 3, and they ask us to find f of x plus 2. They're just asking us to take out the x and replace it with a parenthesis x plus 2. So this is equal to the function that's given up here, but we replace the x, leave a parenthesis, and replace it with x plus 2. Okay, let's do it. It's x plus 2 parentheses squared minus 2 times parenthesis x plus 2 plus 3. Now you see that? We took out the x's and replaced it with parentheses and plugged in the x plus 2. Now we're going to simplify. X plus 2 squared is simply x plus 2 times x plus 2, and then distribute the negative 2 inside the parenthesis to get negative 2x minus 4, and then add the 3 at the end. So that gives us x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 minus 2x minus 4 plus 3 when we get rid of the parentheses. And now we just combine like terms and make sure we're in descending order, and we have x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay? Now, that's how we simplify it. Some things I knock them out because you have a positive and you have a negative, and they just obliterate each other. Now, part B, we're going to do two things. First, we're going to evaluate f of x plus h, and then subtract that from the evaluation of f of x and simplify. All right, here we go. F of x plus h. Okay, that means take out all the x's in that f, that definition of f at the top. Take all the x's out, leave parentheses, and replace them with x plus h minus f of x. Okay, bracket. Let's first evaluate f of x plus h. It is parentheses squared minus 2 times parentheses plus 3. So in the parentheses, we put x plus h. And we'll put a bracket around that whole thing, and we're subtracting that from f of x, bracket x squared minus 2x plus 3. So do you see how I use the definition at the very top? The given f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 3. I used it to evaluate f of x plus h, and then I put the minus sign, and then I evaluated f of x. Now I need to simplify. Now, on the next line, we have x plus h squared. That's the same as x plus h times x plus h. And then we're going to be distributing the negative 2 across the parenthesis, and then add 3, minus, now here, I'm going to distribute that negative sign inside the bracket. Okay, let's FOIL the x plus h times x plus h. It's x squared plus hx plus hx plus h squared. Now distribute the negative 2, we get negative 2x minus 2h, and then add the 3. Okay, now we're going to distribute the negative sign inside the second bracket. We get negative x squared. Then we're going to get a negative of a negative 2x, which is positive 2x, and then a negative 3. Now, simplify. First, get rid of all the parentheses and brackets, see what we have. And once we write them all down, we can cancel the ones that have a plus and then a minus somewhere else. They're just canceling each other out and taking an accounting of what's left. We have 2 times h times x plus h to the second minus 2h. This is one of those mixed variable polynomials, so there's really no descending order, just listed as it is.